Welcome. If you've been missing out on personalized Instagram content, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn on notifications for Reels made for you using the Instagram app on your PC. With this setting enabled, you'll never miss curated Reels that match your interests. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up the main menu options. From there, find and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account preferences and customization options. Inside Settings, navigate to Notifications. This section controls everything related to alerts and updates you receive from Instagram. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of different notification categories that you can manage individually. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Reels Made for You. This is the setting that controls whether Instagram notifies you about personalized Reels based on your activity and interests. Now, simply select On under Reels Made for You. Once you do this, Instagram will start sending you notifications whenever there are new Reels tailored specifically for you. That's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for Reels made for you on Instagram using your PC. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you enjoy discovering fresh and relevant content without having to search for it manually. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other notification settings as well, so you stay updated on everything that matters to you.